Good morning on Monday, 30th of January, new Bitcoin update. Over the weekend I was expecting a bit of sideways and then come down to make this fourth leg, but the problem is that, well, it's not really a problem, but we went a bit higher and the Elliott wave count has to be changed a bit. That's always the problem with Elliott wave at the end of a cycle. It might be a bit different, and it's always very tricky to find the exact top or reversal point. Where I thought this was the top, it might be now like this, that we do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So a bit more up and then doing that fourth leg towards 21,600 more or less. That could be a possibility here, and that we are doing here some kind of ending diagonal in 5 legs and then come down. I was expecting the S&P coming down, which is also my reasoning, or was my reasoning for expecting Bitcoin already coming down earlier. This was the chart I was working on. Also look at this bearish divergence is holding. This latest top got rejected by the RSI trend line. So in the end, I do think we will make this kind of move in the coming days, maybe even 2 weeks, but just not yet. And it is very tricky to find the exact top. As many people have been, or traders have been trying in the past weeks, and every time getting burned or being burned in Bitcoin constantly going up. We did go up over the weekend, not with a big, lots of fireworks, and for now I'm looking at this range, and this is what I also updated in our group. I said that I do expect this move to come down towards this level, and from now it's time to pay attention. Are we going to bounce here from previous range high? This is also, we are right now filling the CME gap from last week, from this weekend. So looking for a bounce here. If we do make this kind of move and bearish retest on that previous range high, then I do think we will get our move, which I showed before. For now, I do think we might see a bounce coming here and see some more upside. On the higher time frames, I'm keeping an eye on the dollar, because I do think the moment the dollar breaks out here and it might go back to that supply zone, that is where I think Bitcoin will make its move lower below this range and then possibly up again. On the more higher time frames, we still have 19,600, a CME gap around here. That's maybe something for much later. So now keep an eye on this level where we are right now. Do we get a bounce here or breakdown? And I guess in the next 30 minutes we will know more. Good luck and have a nice week trading this week, and see you tomorrow.